to make a broken anvil in Minecraft. So this is a house. First I'll just take a tour, and this is a whole village. Now I have been getting angry with some villagers for sleeping in my bed. So I just hit the villagers and tried to throw an anvil at them, which inspired me in making a damaged anvil. So here is how to make it. It's very easy. You just need to go here. Then place an anvil. No, that one didn't become broken. Let's try from a little bit higher. See? If you throw from in a high place, it becomes a broken anvil. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and enjoy.